Welcome student, this is Varsha CBSE Maths 10 Trigonometry lesson, 8th lesson. So this is the exercise 8.1, question number 2. So in the given figure, find tan P minus cot R. So the figure is given, okay, the drawing, the right angle triangle is given at right angle at Q. Here the 90 degrees here. So we have to find tan P and cot R. So what is the formula for tan P and cot, students? Do you remember? Yes, tan P is equal to, what is that? Opposite side to P by adjacent side to P. Okay, so cot R, what is your cot R? Cot R is equal to, this is the reciprocal of, cot is the reciprocal of 1 by tan, okay, tan theta. So how will you write this? Is adjacent side to R by opposite side to R. Okay, so these are relatives, cot theta, cot angle. Okay, this is 1 by tan theta, reciprocal of 1 by tan. Okay, so tan is equal to, you can write simply as opposite by adjacent. Then cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. Okay, so to remember, you can write every time for the every sum. Okay, so first tan is equal to opposite by adjacent, cot is equal to adjacent by opposite. Okay, so now go to the sum. So see, in the sum, one of the side is not given, this side is not given, but hypotenuse is given, other two sides, one of the side is not given. So by the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is PR square, equal to other two sides. What are the other two sides? PQ square plus QR square. Okay, so what is your PR, students? PR means 13 square, PQ is 12 square, and QR is not given, X. You can give X or you write like QR. So this is 169, this is equal to 144 plus QR square. Okay, so 169 minus 144 equal to QR square. So if you subtract, you will get 25. So that is QR square. So if you take square root, you will get 5 as QR. Okay, so 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Okay, students, now we found the another side. Okay, now go to the tan P. So what is your tan P? The side which is opposite to P angle. So where is your P, students? See, this is your P. So which is the opposite side? QR. So QR by adjacent is PQ. Okay. So QR by PQ. So what is your QR? QR is 5 centimeter by PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. See, students, this is here the centimeter, if you write, it will be cancelled, na? So that is only tan theta, sine angle, it have no unit. Okay. So why trigonometric ratios has no unit? This is the reason, because centimeter will be cancelled. Okay, so it has no unit. Okay, so tan P is equal to 5 by 12. So do you understand? Students? This is very important. Okay, so let's find cot R. So what is your cot R? So what is the formula? Adjacent to R. So where is your R? This is R. This is opposite, but first you have to write adjacent. So adjacent is QR. So QR by opposite is PQ. So write down like, so this is PQ. So what is your QR? QR is equal to 5 and PQ is equal to 12. So this is also 5 by 12. Cot R is equal to 5 by 12. Okay, students. Now we found tan P and cot R. Okay. Do you understand this? Yes. So now what is that to find? Tan P minus cot R. Okay, so what is our tan P? That is 5 by 12 minus cot R is also 5 by 12. So if you subtract, you will get 0 as your answer. Okay, do you understand? Your answer is 0. So that's all, we found the answer. Okay, so do you understand, students? First, in this sum they have given the diagram, so one of the side is not given, so by the theorem we can find the other side. Okay, then we can found tan and cot. So what is the formula of tan? So you can simply remember like opposite by adjacent. Cot is equal to adjacent by opposite. Okay, so cot is the reciprocal of tan theta. So 1 by tan is equal to cot. So these are the formulas to remember here. Okay, so these are the things to remember. So I hope you all understand, you like this video. So after seeing this video, give a like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.